Welcome back to Mammoth Club YouTube channel. Today we've got the latest AI news, from Trump's bold moves to Meta's new tech and China's AI strategy. Let's jump right in. 1. Doge's AI tool breaks through red tape. Doge has just launched an AI tool that cuts through federal regulations with lightning speed. It simplifies complex legal language and helps businesses save time and avoid costly mistakes. No more confusion in legal hurdles. The breakdown: AI tool slashes federal regulations with lightning speed, simplifies complex legal language into friendly bites, helps businesses save time and avoid costly mistakes. Stay ahead by embracing hands-free AI. B turns wearable tech into an everyday sidekick. 2. Trump takes charge with AI regulation. Trump has rolled out a plan to regulate AI and ensure transparency. The goal? To make AI safer and smarter while boosting the US's leadership in innovation. This could reshape the future of AI policy. The details: Trump pushes for strict AI safety rules nationwide, focus on transparency and tackling AI risks fast. Plan aims to boost US leadership in AI innovation. Knowing the latest in AI rules helps you navigate future tech changes smarter and safer. 3. Wizard of Oz gets an AI-driven 360-degree makeover. The Wizard of Oz is stepping into the future with a stunning AI transformation for a 360-degree experience. Thanks to immersive tech, this classic will feel more real than ever before, blending nostalgia with futuristic visuals. The lowdown: AI recreates Wizard of Oz for immersive giant sphere display. Story unfolds in 360 degrees, way beyond traditional screens. Tech blends nostalgia with futuristic, jaw-dropping visuals. This story shows how AI can reinvent classics into next-level experiences. Keep an eye on immersive AI tech to unlock fresh ways to captivate audiences or upgrade your own creative projects. 4. China's AI strategy, powering global dominance. China is on a mission to control AI by 2025, with new regulations and major support for homegrown giants like Baidu and SenseTime. China is moving fast to lead the global AI race. The inside scoop: China plans strict AI rules by 2025 to control tech risks. Local AI giants like Baidu and SenseTime get a major boost. The global AI landscape is shifting as China flexes its muscle. Knowing China's AI moves helps you spot trends early and adapt smarter strategies in the tech race before rivals catch on. 5. Meta's new AR tech, smarter glasses coming your way. Meta's Reality Labs has revealed EMG tech that enhances AR glasses. By using muscle signals for smoother control, these glasses will make interacting with virtual environments more intuitive than ever. Key takeaways: Surface EMG tech reads tiny muscle signals for smoother AR control. Improves how AR glasses like Orion respond to your gestures. Opens up cooler, seamless interaction with future AR. Want to stay ahead in AR? This tech means smarter, more natural device control is coming fast. Get ready to tap into more immersive, hands-free experiences. 6. YouTube's big ad revenue surge. YouTube just reported a major boost in ad revenue, powered by smarter targeting and fresh content. This is the future of advertising, where viewers see exactly what they want, and businesses maximize engagement. The highlights: YouTube's ad money jumped big, powering Alphabet's strong quarter. More targeted ads equals viewers seeing what they actually want. Fresh content and new features keep audiences coming back. This means smarter, more effective ads are the future. Stay ahead by tapping into YouTube's trend of tailored content and ad strategies to maximize your reach and results. 7. Sponsored by Mammoth Club. Boost your career. Want to level up your career? Get access to over 2,000 courses, certifications, and industry insights with Mammoth Club, all for just 50 cents a day. Start mastering the skills top companies demand. AI tools for the edge. Boost your AI skills with top tools for social simulation and network visualization. NetLogo, AnyLogic, Repast, Mesa, Gephi. That's it for today's roundup. Stay ahead with Mammoth Club. Like, subscribe, and grab the AI Edge newsletter for more updates straight to your inbox. Catch you in the next one.